This week, we bring you a power tip from Tim Davis with Wilson Associates. Tim was working on a rooftop irrigation design and needed to find a way to irrigate both floors of his design in land effects, accounting for pressure loss due to change in elevation. Here, I have both the first and second floors designed, sized, and piped to valves. First, let's take a look at my rooftop point of connection. By zeroing out all the information for custom POC here, Land Effects will report the current system demands through a critical analysis. Then, use the Size Mainline tool to read the critical analysis of the design and determine the needs of the system. Ignore any messages about low flow for now. Take note of a few numbers reported in the critical analysis here, including the GPM and the PSI. Using the View Data button once again, plug this information into the fields for custom pressure and flow. In this case, I need 13 GPM and 57 PSI to ensure the second story design functions properly. Now when I size the mainline, there won't be any errors and the system seems to function properly. Moving on, let's take a look at the first floor irrigation design. Using the Highlight Station button and selecting my POC, I can see the first floor design, everything has been laid out and piped correctly. Now I'll navigate to the FX Site tab on the Land Effects ribbon and select the Spot Elevation button from Callouts. Place a spot grade near the point of connection. Then, locate where the pipe will be elevated to reach the second floor and place a spot elevation for the field grade, where the pipe will connect at the roof. In this case, the roof is elevated at 15 feet. Now, using the Irrigation Effects tab on the Land Effects ribbon, navigate to the Irrigation Manager, select the tab for Auxiliary Equipment, and click New to add a cap. Add a generic pipe cap that will be used for future use. Once this is added to the Irrigation Manager, add it to the plan with the Place Equipment button, and when prompted, input the demands for the cap at the second story. Again, that is 57 psi and 13 gallons per minute for my example. Make sure to connect the new cap to the rest of the system, or a shutoff valve in this example. Now, size the mainline for the first floor, but make sure the option for Include Spot Grades is selected. You should notice how Land Effects accurately calculates pressure loss for the system, including pressure loss for the change in elevation. This has been another power tip provided by you, the user. Bring efficiency to your workflow with Land Effects.